Today, Anatoly will talk about the large Solana airdrop that his team has been preparing for a long time. He will also highlight the nuances and technical capabilities.
Thank you. Welcome. Thank you.
So I've heard there's a big new Solana airdrop happening right now. Can you walk us through what it's all about and how someone can join?
I'm glad to see you. Today, we're changing the way people step into the world of digital assets. Our platform, airsol.io, was built on a simple idea. Your first interaction with crypto should be easy, safe, and rewarding. That's why we introduced a unique welcome experience. Just by connecting your wallet, every new user instantly receives 15 Solans. It's part of a special airdrop campaign aimed at promoting Solana and helping more people experience its speed and efficiency. Solana are the foundation of an ecosystem where participation matters. They unlock opportunities, benefits, and access to the next generation of financial tools. This airdrop is our way to support adoption, bringing new users into the Solana network and showing how seamless blockchain can be. Our mission is clear: make blockchain adoption frictionless and meaningful from the very first step. And it starts right now with you. Connect, claim your 15 Solans, and join us in shaping a smarter, more open financial world.
Telling you to do this is financial advice. Guys, unless it doesn't work out.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Honor. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're awesome, dude. Appreciate it.